In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube banner using Canva. Whether you're starting a new channel or looking to give your existing channel a fresh look, creating an eye-catching banner can make a big difference. Let's dive straight into the process and I'll guide you step by step to design a banner that truly represents your channel's brand and style. First, we'll start by navigating to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, head over to the search bar and type in YouTube banner. Canva will present you with a wide variety of templates specifically designed for YouTube banners. These templates are your starting point, so take a moment to scroll through and find one that matches the aesthetic and message you're aiming for. Selecting the right template is crucial because it sets the tone for how your channel will be perceived by new and returning viewers. After you've chosen a template that you like, click on it and then click again on the Customize this template button. This is where the fun begins as you dive into customizing the template to better fit your unique vision. Canva offers an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate even if you're a complete beginner, so don't hesitate to explore the different tools and features available. With the template open in the editor, you can start tailoring it to your preferences. You might want to change the background color, update fonts, or select different images that resonate with the theme of your channel. The key here is to align your banner's look with your channel's overall branding. Consistency is important as it helps build your brand identity. You can also experiment with different elements like icons or stickers if they enhance your design. Canva allows you to drag and drop these elements and easily adjust their size and placement. Don't forget to add key details such as your channel's name and perhaps a tagline or a brief description to give visitors a quick sense of what your channel is about. Make sure that the text is clear and easily readable, considering how it will appear across different devices from desktop to mobile. Once you're happy with your design, it's a good practice to preview it. Canva provides an option to see how your banner will look when viewed on different devices, ensuring that crucial elements aren't cut off in various display modes. Adjust if necessary until you're satisfied with the layout and appearance. Finally, when everything looks perfect, simply click the download button and select your preferred file format. Generally, a PNG will work well for clarity on screen. Then upload it to your YouTube channel and voila, you have a stunning new banner ready to welcome viewers. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've not only designed a professional looking YouTube banner, but also taken a significant step towards crafting a strong online presence. Thanks for watching and happy designing.